Generating a complex end-to-end sales order in SAP requires navigating multiple screens, inputting precise data, and verifying the outputs manually. Our goal is to convert that exact human journey into a fully automated sequence. This diagram maps the 5 stages of test case automation in Tricentis Tosca. Today, we are keeping our focus strictly on the first 2 foundational steps: scanning your SAP GUI controls and building out the test case structure. Before we begin, verify your setup. You need Tricentis Tosca open on your desktop alongside an active SAP GUI session logged into the VA01 Create Sales Order transaction. Inside Tosca, we separate our work into 2 distinct categories. On the left, we have modules. These contain the raw technical data, the exact buttons, text fields, and structural code of the SAP interface. On the right, we have test cases. These represent the business logic, mapping out the chronological workflow a human would actually follow. By keeping the technical controls isolated from the sequential business logic, we ensure that if the SAP interface updates, we only update the module. The business logic remains intact. Without the separation, scalable automation fails. Step 1 is preparing a staging area for our technical assets. Navigate to the Modules section in Tosca and create a new folder, specifically named to house the sales order controls. Next, switch over to your SAP GUI and trigger the initial Create Sales Order transaction. Once the screen loads, return to Tosca and launch the XScan tool, targeting your active SAP application. In this wireframe of the XScan interface, you can see the precise technical fields we need to capture from the initial SAP screen. Select Order Type, Sales Organization, Distribution Channel, and Division. XScan will generate a default name for this data. Leaving default names creates compounding confusion later on. Delete the generic text and instantly rename it to describe its exact purpose, like Enter Order Data,